Hey, Khaleesa, what's up? I'm not. What do you mean I'm rude? You're the one rude that's trying to smack me. How about that? What do you mean, no, you're not? You just smacked me. What? What do you mean, no? Do you? What? I'm not gonna leave you alone. The camera's gonna be in your face as long as you want. And you're still gonna act like you're not ignored, but you are. I know you know. So you're doing it, right? Yep, I think you're laying down. You always get scared when all these weird sounds happen. You're like, eh. Well, whoa! You're still not trying. You're still not trying to be angry. I know you know. Oh my God. Guys, she is trying to ignore the camera like it's not even bothering her, but it is. I'm not answering you. I'm not gonna stop it right now. You don't like the viewers anymore. Okay. And she just walked away and showed her butt. Oh my God, guys, Khaleesa got mad. She got mad. Oh my God. Khaleesa, you better say bye. Gonna say bye? Bye.